In Pinedale, Wyoming, sagebrush rolls across the wide open horizon, stretching from the flanks of the Wind River Mountains down to the mighty Green River. This rugged country sustains rural communities, ranches, and wildlife. Sagebrush Range provides forage for cattle and habitat for iconic animals like pronghorn, elk, and the greater sage grouse. Ranchers here are voluntarily stepping up to protect and restore the country that supports their way of life.
I'm Mike Fenn, and we're on our family ranch. It's called the Fenn Place. Worked with the Sage Grouse Initiative for 3 years, and that involved resting some of the property and monitoring the grazing on some of the property, and that was through the NRCS. I think it's been pretty successful. We've seen a lot of birds out here, and that's great for them and us. I like to hunt and fish and just like to see the animals. We like wildlife. It's kind of a priority for us on the whole ranch. Is we raise cows, but we also try to do whatever we can for wildlife. For the cows, we've been able to grow better grass, more nutritious grass. I think that helps with the wildlife as well. It's always encouraging when you see a lot of young birds, because that means they made it through the tough times. You know, there's always a threat of subdivision, and particularly this close to town. And we've got a conservation easement on the whole place. The Nature Conservancy is the holder of the easement. It was something that I wanted to do for a long time and feel good about, so that I know this place is going to look like this forever. By us putting on the easement, some of the neighbor ranchers and stuff have got a little more interested in learning about conservation easements, and they see us still running cows. As a family, we've wanted to leave a little bit of a legacy and something that'd be there for forever. And we enjoy the outdoors, and we love open space and wildlife. So being able to preserve a piece of that is, you know, important to us.